Today, I'm going to show you how to make a quick release knot for horses. So I usually throw this whole thing over the fence. Make sure to leave her a little room right here so she can move her head around a little. So what I like to do is, you know how you shake hands like nice to meet you? This time when we do this, we're gonna twist it. We're just gonna grab this like this, pull it over, and now we have this perfectly made loop. We're gonna hold this with this hand, gonna grab this with our other hand, pull this through, and then we're just gonna keep making loops like this. Now we have a perfect loop. Now you ask, how do you untie it? It's easy. Just grab this tip that right here and then pull it. Let me show you one more time. Shake, twist, grab, loop. Now we grab this over here. And then just keep making a big chain like this. We're making loops to make a chain. Now we have a perfect knot. Chain. Now how do you untie it? Like I showed you the other time. You grab this and keep pulling. Boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye! Stay sweet, peace out. Here's my dog Sasha, and I'll see you for more. Bye!